Hi civil engineers, today we are going to learn how to find the cutting length of stirrups of a column of size 300 by 500, 300 width, 500 depth. See here, the column size is given here, column cross section. This is 500 depth and 300 width. The dia of the bar is 16 mm. 16 mm dia of bars, and stirrups dia bar is 16 mm. See here, I have already find the cutting length of stirrups of column. So this is cutting length of stirrups is 2 because here one side and two side 2 into 500 this depth minus 40 this cover and upper cover 40 plus 2 into 2 this side and this side 2 300 minus 40 cover this one okay, plus 2 into this is hook length 10d, 10 into dia of bar is 8 minus this is bend reduction minus 3 is 390 degree bend are there, so 3 into for 90 degree we use 2d, so this is 2 into 8 means dia of the ring bar minus 2 into 2 135 degree bends are there, so 2 into for 135 degree bend we consider 3d 3 into 8. So after calculation we will get 840 plus 440 plus 160 minus 48. So cutting length of stirrups is 1344 mm, that is 1344 mm.